Alright guys, right here we have a pair of Fly Maverick MX boots. These are the minis. These are the 2018 editions. Practically the same as all the other editions, just made up to look slightly different. And I believe these are the smallest they make, minis size 10s. Now when you talk about motocross boots, you've got adult, youth, and mini. So these would be like the Answer Pee-wees or something like that. You can see, just super small. Look at those things. Do look pretty sharp for a mini boot, but so this is a size 10. I was surprised about how easy the clasps work now. When these were all metal and smaller, they used to be a pain back in the day. But these are feel like a really strong, sturdy, like an ABS plastic or something, and they work really. I mean, they're just easy. Put them up, put them down, and they lock super secure. Velcro on the top. There's your sole. It's like a synthetic, leather feel for grip. But yeah, I mean, there's not much to see on a boot like this. I think retail is $99 on these, and you can usually pick up something like this for $69, $79 online. But yeah, this is going to be for your PW50, just your smallest, tiniest Pee-wee guys that are just starting out in the sport. So pretty cool. Now another little trade secret on these things is everybody makes these. Fly, Answer, MSR, Thor, you go on and on. Everybody makes a set, but a little trade secret is almost all of these are made in the same warehouse in China. So they literally just rebrand them different. You're not going to find these boots in anything performance-based. Pretty much the Answer, the Fly, the Thor, the MSR, they're all going to be the same. The performance is going to be exactly the same on them, so just pick the pair that you think looks the best or the brand that you want to support and grab them, and you're going to be in good shape. Got some like nylon around the top. That's just to help from getting the mud inside. And this will break in and let it eventually break in and let it move a little more. But yeah, it isn't until they get up to the youth boots, size 5 or 6, that Garnet offers like a performance, nice performance boot like their SGJ or something. But yeah, cool boots, man. Definitely get them for your Pee-wee. I'll put a link below. Thanks.